Now we kick.
I fixed it. It's all fixed.
We came here for you. Two? I got 2 TSXs, bro. Come on, man. Got this fool, bro. Clean my tools up. Put shit away. Hopefully these tires are holding the airs that it needs to hold. So. Yeah, to see this car at stock height is kind of weird. It's all part of the process to make it even better. I'm gonna have to go to my phone in a second because no more GoPro batteries with us. There we have it. Car is finally a roller again. Haven't seen it like this on the ground in forever. Kind of weird seeing it like all stock height and nothing on it, this and that, like I said. But it's all for the better because we gonna make it better. We don't have to make it better.
The next day.
We're on our way to go to Speed Zone right now to go vibe out, try to record some things and whatnot. Just enjoy the day, so stay tuned for all that. Enjoy that montage of just showing all the cars and a little action, what's going on there, little me. That was all through the Sony camera, so obviously, you know, Sony camera with the stabilizer, so better for the B-rolls than just the views. GoPro's just good on the go, vlogging like we are doing right now, so that's why you probably see the quality difference. Good vibes, good times, beautiful day out right now, and we're just gonna head home and do what we do. Okay? Okay. Oh guys, I'm a dumbass. Shout out to this guy TJ for taking me. Alright guys, you can see I'm a fucking dumbass. So yep, I did that. Yep. Appreciate to Trey and TJ. I fucked up. This was a bitch to get off, man. Oh man, it buckled the fender a bit. Fuck. God damn it. So yeah, yep. Yeah boy, he fucked up. He fucked up. I'm fucking stupid. I'm a dumbass. So, shit took a lot of effort took 3 people, me pulling on that thing and them pushing right here to get this thing to move. Buckled the fender a little bit, which had to be pulled out. not a problem. And then underneath, we're gonna have to check out. Yep, your boy's dumbass, look at this shit. I did that. Yep, that was me. Look at that. Went to the gym for a workout. I actually ended my workout. I actually ended my workout a little earlier because I was just going through the workout. I started getting lightheaded. Can't do this anymore. Feels like I'm fucking passed out. I was drinking water. Left, went outside. I'm like, fuck, it's hot. Got in the car. It's hot as fuck. I was getting there. I'm like, all right. First gear, go. I did not realize that I was parked next to that island and like completely fucking forgot. When I walked up to it, I didn't even look or see it. Like I don't know what the. So yeah, just brainless, man. I wasn't really thinking much, man. I was just getting all lightheaded and shit, wanted to get home. And yep, ears buckled a little bit, a little dent right here. Side skirts kind of messed up. I'm gonna lift up the car and kind of see what's going on underneath. See how bad I hit the frame or whatever.
I fixed it. It's all fixed.
Alright guys, so I also have a present that I got for pretty cheap, you know, good deal, 100 bucks. It's metal, it's jangling. I'll show you guys in a second. I first want to assess this, so stay tuned for what I got for a really good deal. And I'm pretty sure these are discontinued, so stay tuned. I feel so dumb.
Oh well. People do dumber shit.
Fuck out my face.
Who?
Fuck out my face.
Who? They came in here or went over there?
Another guy came out. He was like, man, what y'all doing? I was like, man, I f***ed up. It wasn't for an extra body.
Yeah.
Would not get it off, dude. Like, it was so fucking hard to maneuver this shit off. All right, we're back here. We're gonna assess what's going on. Yeah, this fender lifted up a little bit more than already it was. I'm surprised this is still attached with, I gotta add some more super glue now because it's split. So you guys are gonna be able to see my super glue method. Super glue lasted, I mean, it held up, it cracked even further down now, so it's the problem. My cardboard is holding on still, making it a tab. Surprisingly, the wheel didn't get touched, except I think maybe this, which is like a real small nick. This fender is actually kind of like bent in a little bit more, so I'm gonna try to maybe like, I don't know, tap it out some. Same goes for here. So I don't know if I have to just like take off the fender or I just take off the wheel, come in here with like the little body hammers that I have and try to like tap them outwards, or with my hand. Like a crease line going down right here. Regardless of fact, at this point I kind of need a new fender. So the paint definitely, I mean, it ripped the paint right there, which is all right. Nice. Sick, bro. Scraping the sub of the frames. Looks like everything's kind of checking out. Tie rod looks fine. I was mainly kind of resting up over here, as you guys can tell, like the fender underneath it just kind of flabbing. So that part's a little lower now. That's all right. A little bit right there, you can see the yellow where I was kind of scraping and laying at. And look at my subframe bushings. Yeah, I need some new things up in there. That's bad. Looks like I hit a little bit right here too. Good thing no oil pan hits. How do I do that? No need for it.
A few moments later.
Got TSX. About to get some boba. Ooh. Caramel cappuccino. Coconut slush.
Tomorrow.
What is going on, guys? The very next day within this vlog, where we left off, was showing you guys the oopsies that I did with the black TSX. Fortunately, it didn't do that much damage. Unfortunately, I'm a big dummy. But yeah, like I said, I took this black bag out of the car and it's a little goodie for pretty cheap. So I'm gonna take it out and let you guys know. Clean up this garage again because I just got it prepped because we have to go finalize the white TSX, make sure it moves back and forth and it's all good to go. So when I do get the tow, which may be today or like tomorrow, bring it over here, put it inside and be good to go. Get the white TSX over here, put it up in here, and we start putting more time and man hours into it and some woman hours. My girlfriend, she's gonna be helping me out because I want her more hands-on, more learning as well, and just be in front of the camera too. Yeah, small spacing, but we gotta do what we gotta do and get this damn work done already because man, I haven't been getting as much progress as I want. I was talking, my bad. Let me set this table up right quick. Now we got this table right here. Let's get this thing out, the black bag. What do you guys think it could be? Leave your guesses down in the comments and let me know before you cheat ahead and, you know, check it out. All right, here we go. Here we go, guys. So, if you can't tell, it's a header. Not headers, it's a header. I always like confuse that or mistaken and say headers. Here we have a 1320 performance header. It's basically like a PLM style, but I think it's a little bit better. I kind of want to clean it up, see if I get the metal a little bit more polished or nice looking. It's kind of going to be a pain, but maybe worth it. I don't know. It might just get heat damaged again too. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if I should try to like clean, polish it up a little bit. The only discrepancy I got is this damn V-band at the end. For some reason, I can't find any like flex pipes or test pipes with the V-bend end, and it's kind of frustrating. So I don't know, I have to end up like getting this chopped off, adding some more pipage and all that fun stuff. I bought it for $100. You can't really go wrong for a header. PLM style, I'm not the biggest fan of like the slip joint kind of thing, but given it's already been together and I feel like it's a little bit better than PLM, I don't know. It's a discontinued header because I don't see those like ever, the 1320 performance. Yeah, we're just gonna have to figure something out. So let me know if you guys have any ideas. Homie Xavier from Connecticut, he came down here for vacation and brought it down with him in the car. So 100 buckaroos, can't complain. I got another header and now I gotta figure out the rest of the situation. Hopefully we find something. Wish me luck. Send me something.
10 seconds later.
Good morning to you guys. If you're this far into the video, thank you so much. We are about to go to the white TSX, prep and make sure it's all ready for the tow we're about to be doing today. So, peace. Open it, open it. We made it to the white TSX, and of course, as soon as we get to the neighborhood, it starts raining.
Everywhere else isn't, but
yeah, for real, the one area. Just making sure the TSX is all prepped, things are tied down. The hood's tied down so it's not like flopping or anything. Fender and all that I might just toss inside the car. So yeah, we're just cleaning up around and getting things in the other TSX tools, anything else, and just make sure this is all good. So yeah, and waiting for the tow people to call me and confirm and make sure they're coming. So we'll see. So in Florida fashion, it's like sunny out, cloudy right there, and it starts pouring rain again in the middle of me, you know, putting air in my tires and checking it all and getting drenched. So that's fun.
the way you guys are just kicking it is funny as hell.
It just keeps turning out. There you go. Careful, Chris. Careful with your hand.
Turn a little bit more. See the process, guys, without having like rack and pinion in. Wheels are going like this.
Yeah, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 people over here. So make sure you get your friends. The last time it was on a tow truck was when it came from Connecticut.
this thing is so dirty. Almost up. Oh, look at all that rust, y'all. Awful. And we off. Shout out to them, man. Monty, chill dude, and knows his shit and helped us out. And
5 stars if you ask us, so
Yeah,
make sure to
yeah,
contact them.
It was with ease. Oh no, you got it. Good shit. Yeah, coming up was a little
But guess what,
dusting
guys?
off the surface.
She's here.
Yes, we finally.
She looks pretty.
TSX here. Been a long time coming. My girl bought me a fan for in the garage because it'd be kind of hot out in here. No circulation, there's no windows. Got me a nice sack air freshener. Feels good. I mean, it's a fan in your face. It's better than not having a fan in your face, right?
Exactly.
Anywho, thank you guys for tuning into the video and the vlog. If you guys made it this far, I appreciate you guys so much. You guys mean the world. Thank you. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for all the content coming. We finally have it here so we can put more hands on, like literally just walk right out the door and be like, all right, I'm about to go sand, you know, but whatever. Excited for this. We can finally do more and you guys can see more. So we just keep learning, keep doing, and keep progressing. So thank you guys so much and stay tuned for everything. Peace out, because we never take a day off.
Work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.
Finally had them kissing, making out, face to face, instead of like ass to face. Nice.